Hello everyone, this is Kevin Sipe and I want to give you an update on Sqribble, on what it's done for me. I've actually only owned the product for probably 3 weeks, a little over 3 weeks, and I actually built my first ebook the very first day. And I use that for an upsell promotion that I do with some of my business online. The second book, I actually called a company that I consult for and I asked them if they needed a training manual. They said, sure, if it's good, we'll buy it. I gave them a price. They accepted it. 4 days later, I had the book done and I sold the book for $2,700. I took all the documentation and I'm going to use this for another upsell for other products that I'm making online. So my advice to everybody out there is buy. And I know software really well, and this is some of the best software I've ever seen. So the Sqribble team, amazing, amazing job. And keep going, keep creating the stuff that you're doing because we're all amazed. Thank you.